to turn a rented apartment into a home. Quite often many face the problem of lack of comfort in a rental. Indeed, organizing an elegant and comfortable living space in a rental is not so simple. You can have an even bigger problem when the rented space has a limited and compact space. Fortunately, with inspiration and creativity, turning a rented apartment into a real home can be a rewarding and fun experience. We want to help you. We have listed here in our video almost 40 creative and affordable furnishing and decorating ideas for a rental apartment. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Are you interested in turning your rental into a comfy home? If the answer is yes, then you have come to the right place. I am glad you are interested in transforming your small rental apartment into a personalized home. There are many ways to decorate your space without breaking the bank or violating your lease agreement. After all, you cannot make major changes in a rental apartment because you do not own the property and you have to respect the terms and rules of your rental agreement. Some examples of major changes are painting the walls in different color, installing new appliances or fixtures, changing the floor or carpeting, adding or removing windows or doors. Even if you want to make some minor changes to personalize your space, you should always ask your landlord first and get their approval in writing. Some examples of minor changes are hanging pictures or shelves on the walls, adding curtains or blinds to the windows, replacing light bulbs or switch plates. But how I have already mentioned, there are many affordable ways to personalize your rental and make it feel more cozy, elegant and comfortable. In other words, to turn it into a real home. First of all, do not despair if you don't have the owner permission to change the color of the walls. You can still personalize and add character to your small living space with the help of colors. Choose furniture pieces and decorative accessories in bold, vivid colors. They will radically change the look of your living space. See, for example, the design from this image. it worth taking care of arranging a rented apartment? This is a question that bothers every tenant. Obviously, the right answer depends a lot on many circumstances. Some tenants choose furnished spaces since they don't possess a lot of furniture and don't want to acquire the ones they need in a house, especially if they know they will be moving in a year or two. Others rent long term and prefer greater decorative freedom or the ability to incorporate specific pieces of furniture into their new home. There is no better or worse option, only the best one for each case. The decorative changes you can make in the bedroom are somewhat similar to those allowed in the rest of the apartment. Here, however, you have an edge up your shelf. You can change the appearance of the room by only changing the way the principal piece of furniture, the bed, looks. Everything else revolves around the bed. So add just a painting or two, a nightstand, a rug, a beautiful lamp, and voila! Once again, do not despair if you don't have the owner permission to change the color of the walls. Accent the overall decor with soft greens and blues from curtains, area rugs, sofa fabrics, or from decorative pillows. Even indoor plants can add color and textures to the overall decor. conclusion, if you cannot afford or aren't adept at buying a house or apartment and you live in with the rent, surely you wanted to bring a new breath or a personal touch to this place. To make this possible, there are some tricks you can use. You have seen that the transformation of a rented space into a home may seem at first glance complicated, but it is not like that at all. On the contrary, it can be a fun and exciting process. We wish you to turn your rental into a comfortable home interior. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.